Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is definitely a different look for me. I'm not wearing any makeup except for a little bit of mascara, but I have exciting news for you guys. I am moving and I am in my new place right now. It is very empty and you can hear my smoke detector. I do need to change the battery, but I wanted to give you guys a quick unfurnished house tour. So because I'm just so excited. A little bit of a backstory. We went from a one-bedroom, me, myself, and my husband went from a one-bedroom apartment, very, very tiny, very outdated, to a two-bedroom. So I live in Maryland. It is crazy expensive to rent here. I mean, it's cheaper than other places, but where I live is pretty expensive to rent, so it's a huge accomplishment for me, and I'm a little bit out of breath because I just brought a light in and kind of broke a little bit, so I gotta fix it. So I'm just really excited to show you guys this. It's nothing extravagant or, you know, the most modern, but it is a two-bedroom. It can fit all my stuff, and I'm just so happy to be where I am right now, to be able to afford this and be where we're at right now in our lives. So I have you guys set up on a couple of boxes right now. So if it gets a little shaky, I'm not very experienced with this vlog style that I will be doing today because I don't have my tripod with me. So yeah, I am kind of interested in doing like a unpack with me type style videos where I, you know, do montages of me unpacking. I thought that would be pretty cool to kind of, I guess, just document me moving in. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I really want you here and I'm hoping we can be one big happy YouTube family. So, okay, I can stop rambling now and let's get on to the home tour. So as we come in, this is my front door. See, there's some things in it that definitely need to be fixed, but that will all be fixed eventually when we actually move in. Same with like cobwebs, but you know, that's my lamp that I came in and it broke. And I had to put all of them in anyway, so it's an easy fix. That's my sweatshirt. This is the window. So right now we're standing in the living room. This is the entryway. Turn around. This is my living room. It is a smaller, more outdated apartment, but I am still grateful to be here. I do definitely need to get rid of the cobwebs. That is disgusting to me. So, you know, we have the wallpaper, which, of course, I'm not really, I can't sit there and complain because it is my own place. I'm just still grateful to be here. So I do have a couple boxes in here. Right here is the dining room, and I am planning on replacing this light with a different light. I do have permission to do so, so I will definitely be doing that as well. So in this little room right here, I have my kitchen, and it is definitely an upgrade from what I had before. It is nice, dark cabinets, have my refrigerator. So my kitchen in my other apartment is probably as big as this right here. Nothing else. I have a dishwasher, which is nice because I'm going from one apartment that did not have it to an apartment that does. The sink, you got plenty of drawers and cabinetry, which my cabinets in my other places really outdated. So this is definitely a step up. So there's an entry here and an entry there. When you come in here, this is the hallway. So the living room and then hallway. In this bedroom right here is my son's room, which it's just like a normal sized room. He has some built-in shelving, which is actually the heater area. I'm going to shut his door. I do plan on doing like a whole video on his room, so stay tuned to that. This is my laundry room. Nothing special, just a laundry room. I do have an attic, which is probably pretty nice. I do have a washer and dryer that I will be taking with me from my last apartment. So we bought those ourselves. And then you come in here, and this is my bathroom. There I am, just in some sweats. I worked today, so shout out to Miss Guided. Actually, this is in one of my previous hauls, so if you want to see that, just I'll put it in a tag. It's really hot in here. Oh my gosh. So I'm just in some sweats because I worked and I didn't want to get dressed up for this video. So, you know, the vanity, the toilet, our shower is just really basic, you know, shelving, nothing fancy, just your normal stuff. And then this room is my room. You know, of course, it's empty, so it's not really gonna be anything to it, but I definitely do have some good plans that I want to do in this place, so I'm really excited to show you guys. And yeah, so if you would like to see a furnished apartment tour, let me know in the comments, because I'm probably definitely going to be doing one, even if you don't suggest it. But you know, it helps the algorithm if you comment. So yeah, leave me a comment down below if you want to see my apartment tour. And I cannot wait to have all this space to decorate with, because my last apartment, I had it set up as a studio. We were in a 1-bedroom, so we gave my son the bedroom and we were sleeping in the living room. Our bed was right in the living room and it got rough, okay? I'm so happy to be where we are right here and to be able to have this place. It may not be much to some, but it is everything to me, because there was a time where I was at rock bottom and I had nothing. And now I can look back on that and see just how far I've come. That scared the shit out of me. Wow. I'm already like kind of creeped out to be here by myself anyway, so that really did it to me. I think it's Santa Claus on the fire truck. So I'm gonna turn out this light, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family and my YouTube experience. And with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.